Hi everybody, Mark Rizzo, your trusty lab wizard. Going to discuss with you today the concept of enabling or allowing pop-ups for SAM 2013 to come through. This is my first major training or screencast video instructional, and hopefully it won't be the last, and hopefully we can share some ideas this way and help each other out. Basically, I'm going to show you 4 different browsers and how it looks to enable the pop-ups in those browsers. That will hopefully help those folks that are using different browsers to enable their respective pop-ups. Okay, the first one I'm going to use is Google Chrome. And so as I open Chrome here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like first so that the students can see what it looks like to actually have it show up to block that you're being blocked from getting into Cengage. So if I go out to Blackboard and I log in as my student account, we go out to a instructor's course. In this case, it's Professor Becker's, and I'm going to click on the links for her class. And as soon as I click on that link out to Sam from Blackboard, it shows you right here that it's blocking it. So obviously you can't open it up. Sometimes it won't even show you this red line. It'll just cycle back to the top of the page. So be wary that your students may be experiencing that as well. They may not even get the informational to enable pop-ups. But in Chrome, in this particular instance, if you need to enable pop-ups in Google Chrome, in the upper right corner, you'll see a 3-dashed chevron, I guess you can call it, button. If you click on that button and you go to Settings, under Settings you go to Show Advanced Settings, and then under Privacy you'll click Content Settings. And Content Settings will show you a list of different additional settings you can do for the content, and one of them is the pop-ups. So we're going to change that from Do Not Allow any site to allow all sites to show pop-ups. You're going to click Done. And now you can go back to that link and you can refresh, or you can click on that link again. And what should happen is it's going to open up SAM 2013 now. And there it is. Okay, so that was Chrome. The second one we're going to use is Firefox, because that seems to be the second most popular, if not the most popular, for the Cengage folks to use when using SAM. And the same principle applies here for the Mozilla settings as well as the Google Chrome. In the upper right corner, you'll see a menu button. You select that, and then within this menu, in this particular instance, you're going to click Options. And under Options, it's a little bit different. About 3 steps down, you'll see something called Content, and that's what you're going to click on, is Content. Now here, it's already been deselected for me, but in this particular instance, usually it's checked. And so if the student can't get in, you'll want to deselect that check mark and then reset or refresh the page to get to the SAM 2013. And that should be for Firefox. The third browser that we use here at the college is Internet Explorer, and if we click on this here, it goes out to Internet Explorer, to our main college site. And to change the pop-up status for the Internet Explorer browser, in the upper right corner, again, everything seems to be in the upper right corner, there's a little cog here that you click on, and from that list you'll select Internet Options. Under Internet Options, you're going to click on Privacy. And then Privacy, you will deselect this check mark here for the pop-up blockers, and then you'll apply that setting and click OK. And that will seal the pop-up issue for Cengage in Internet Explorer. Okay, and then the last browser we're going to use is one that's the newest one for Windows 10, because there's a lot of students that are using Windows 10 now. I don't recommend Microsoft Edge. I don't believe that Edge is a supported browser for Cengage. I'm not sure yet, but I'm sure it will be sooner than later. So let's open that if we can here. Open Microsoft Edge.
Okay. Starting
Okay.
Microsoft Edge.
Starting Microsoft Edge.
Using another feature of Windows 10 called Cortana. Quite a nice feature. I don't have to type anything. It just responds to me. Okay, and this is Microsoft Edge. In the upper right corner, again, if you want to change the pop-up status, you'll click on More Actions. And then under More Actions, if it shows correctly, which it's not. Let's see if I can refresh this. There we go. You'll click on the settings button, and then under settings at the very bottom, there's something called um, advanced settings. We'll click on view advanced settings. And then under advanced settings, the very first thing or second thing is pop-up blockers, and you'll just turn that off. And that will be all you need to do to remove the pop-up issue for Microsoft Edge. And that's basically it for the 4 browsers. And hopefully that will be of help to you and your students for enabling SAM 2013 through each of the browsers. Thank you very much.